I know. I know. This is a nostalgia overload.
Good golly, Mario. My diaper is so full. Pee, Mario. This is stinky.
What did you just tweet? Hey! What did you just tweet?
Oh my God!
Huh?
Look at his hat. They captured it perfectly.
Yep.
This one's hitting me right in the childhood.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, it's a me. Woohoo! And just watch the movie. All right. Just focus on. Remember that? You remember seeing that in the games?
Yeah, I just think the pacing feels a bit off for me. You know.
What did you just say?
I said the pacing feels a bit off. Feels a bit rushed is all. You know, it's a clean. I don't know.
Oh my God! The mushroom! The mushroom! He has the mushroom!
I haven't been happy since I was 7 years old.
I mean, it's a Mario movie. You're in a children's movie, you ape. I mean, do you just go into children's movies and bitch and complain the whole time? What are you gonna do, break down Paw Patrol next? Everyone in here is in their 30s.
I'm actually 42.
Oh, you piece of shit.
I mean, everyone in here is in their 30s. I mean, look around, it's true.
Not everybody's
it is.
Not everybody's 30. Listen, retard!
No, that's in poor taste.
Mario just used
I didn't mean to say.
I didn't mean to say it.
Someone just dropped me back in my childhood.
Just listen. You're gonna gobble this movie up. You're gonna say that it was everything you wanted out of a Mario film, okay? Because it is. I am a low-stakes movie meant to get you to buy more product. And that's what you're gonna do.
I know, I certainly am.
Shut up!
Ooh. Okay, buddy. You have 0 lives left.
I just wanted a nice night out with my son, all right? I'm just glad he likes it. All right, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Whatever.
Mario, my diaper is so stinky.
Okay, Luigi. Let's go visit the Donkey Kong. All right, here we go. Now be sure to get a new diaper on, because we have to take a big step.
Hey, what's he typing?
Oh my God, a Koopa!
What the fuck is he typing back there?
I wish Bowser got Peach's pussy.
Oh, you motherfucker!